guys, the Minecraft Conwell here, and today I got from Target. It's called Overcast Gravedigger. What is in your hat? Needed, but I have Hot Wheels. I have Hot Wheels, but I'm a Spin Master. I have a Hot Wheels, but actually I do. I have a Spin Master Mastermind. I have a Demolition Doubles of Ice Cream Man, but it's different chassis and different trucks. But I mean the regular one. I have a Hot Wheels version of that, but I needed a longer car station. I have a Captain's Curse, both Spin Master Hot Wheels in my collection. I need more of my male Spin Master, but I have a Hot Wheels. Maybe. I don't have Trainer Megalodon, but I have a regular Megalodons and Hot Wheels and Spin Master. Let's unbox Overcast Gravedigger. Sorry about that. And there is Overcast Gravedigger. It was pretty nice. It might see paint job on that. Let's get a comparison of that, and I'll be right back. So basically, between those three Spin Master regular Gravediggers, they were cool, by the way. I like this truck. It has a cool barrel bone. That's pretty awesome. And thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Peace out.